Okay. If I will draw a circle and there is a chord AB. Okay, this is my chord AB. Okay, is it clear? Now, it divides the circle in two parts. Can you see? This is one part and this is the another part. And you can easily see that this is the smaller part, lower one is the smaller part and this upper one is the largest part. Generally, whenever we divide a circle by any chord, okay, so it divides the circle in two parts. The smaller part is known as minor segment. Minor segment, and the larger part is known as major segment. Clear? This is minor segment. This vertical line wala part is minor segment because it is minor, it is small, and this larger part is known as major segment. Clear? Similarly, it divides the circumference also. The circumference is divided into this wala part, this one, and the upper, this part. Is it visible na class? Then the lower one part and the upper one part. So again, this lower one part or the smaller circumference is known as minor arc. Okay, you know the arc na? Whenever we draw something using your compass is like this. It is an arc. So it is something, a part of circle, it is known as arc, and this is the smaller one, that's why it is minor arc. And opposite of it, this is a major arc. This is what? This is a major arc. Okay, so you understand, there is a line and this is what? AB is what? It is your chord. Okay, just I have told you that this is your chord. Whenever we draw a chord in a circle, it divides the circle in two parts, in a smaller one and the larger one. The smaller one is the minor segment and the larger one is the major segment. The circumference is also divided. The smaller circumference is known as minor arc and the larger one is known as major arc. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, I will move to another concept which is most similar to this, and most of the students got confused in that part and in this part. Okay, so just look at the board carefully. Okay, if this is another circle and I draw a center C. Okay, and what if I draw two radiuses, right? Doesn't it look like a pizza? And this is a pizza slice. Okay, so this one is your pizza slice which can be separated from it, correct? And this one is the one pizza slice and this is the remaining part, means the remaining pizza. Or in mathematics, I can say that this is the one smallest part of the circle and this is the one largest part of the circle. If I'll name it as A and B. So this part is known as minor sector. This is known as what? Minor sector. don't get confused, because students usually get confused in segment and sector. Sector is something which is divided the circle from by using its radiuses, and segment is something which divides the circle using its chord. Okay, so this is different and this is different. This is minor sector, and similarly the major remaining part is known as what? It is major sector. Clear? This is your major sector and this is your minor sector. And again, this is also, AB is also divided the circumference. So this arc means arc in between AB. It is denoted as this. Okay, this part is known as minor arc. Minor arc. And the remaining circumference is known as major arc. Clear, class? So these are some terms related to the circle which you will learn more about it, because whenever we solve the question, if we don't know what is major segment, minor segment, what is arc, major arc, minor arc, what is perpendicular, what is a ray, what is a chord, what is one more term that I have to told you, that is secant. Secant is something like, if it is a circle, clear, and it is a chord. Okay, this is very important thing. Just look at it carefully, otherwise you will forget it. What is the difference between chord or a secant? It is a chord means a line which connects 2 points of the circle inside the circle. That is why I told you a term inside or outside, because there are some terms which are confusing whenever I'll talk about this similar term to that. This is a chord when it joins the point inside the circle, right? There is a line, if it is passes through the circle and cuts the circle at 2 different points. Okay, this is a line. This is not passes. Actually, it is just adding 2 points. It is just connecting 2 points. But this line is passing through the circle and cuts the circle at 2 different points. Then this line is known as secant. What it is known as? It is known as secant. S-E-C-A-N-T. And this is your chord. Clear? So this is the difference. Don't get confused into this. Okay. So this is all about the terminology of the circle that we have discussed from very initial stage, the center, then the radius, then the diameter. Diameter is what? It is the largest chord of the circle, then chord, then minor and major segment, then minor and major arc, and then minor and major sector. And one more thing is secant. Okay, so there are various lines, like radius is the half of the diameter, diameter is the line joining the 2 points passing through the center, and chord passing cutting any 2 points, and secant just passing through 2 points of the circle. So there are many more. So now we will done with the introduction of the chapter. Now we will move to the theorems related to the circles.